This is where the US dollar is produced, at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing under strict federal security. The cotton-based currency paper arrives securely and is carefully unloaded. The paper rolls are stored in controlled conditions before printing begins. Detailed images are engraved onto steel plates with extreme precision. Microscopic lines create details nearly invisible to the naked eye. Specialized inks are mixed with precision to ensure durability and color accuracy. The ink is blended under strict control until it reaches the perfect consistency. Technicians digitally calibrate colors to match official standards. The engraved plates are installed into massive industrial printing presses. The first printing stage applies the background colors of the bill. The reverse side receives its base layers of ink. Each bill receives a unique serial number. The blue 3D security ribbon is embedded into the $100 bill. The ribbon shifts visually as light hits it from different angles. High-speed scanners inspect every sheet for imperfections. Machines automatically divert defective sheets. Large printed sheets are precisely cut into individual bills. High-speed counting machines verify the exact quantity. Each bundle is wrapped with an official identification band. Bills are grouped into standardized stacks. bundles are logged into a secure tracking system. Bundles are placed into reinforced transport boxes. Forklifts move sealed boxes into the secure vault. Security teams inspect pallets before shipment. The currency is loaded into armored trucks under guard supervision. The convoy leaves the facility under police escort, delivering the money into the Federal Reserve System. The convoy arrives at a regional Federal Reserve facility, where the currency officially enters the banking system. The sealed boxes are removed from the armored truck under armed supervision and taken inside for processing. Each shipment goes through one last verification before being released to commercial banks. The cash-filled cassettes are carefully inserted into the machine's internal compartments. Moments later, a customer withdraws cash, and the journey of the dollar is complete. Those same bills, once secured in a federal vault, are now exchanged across a jewelry counter, transforming printed paper into real value.